everybody, welcome back. You guys haven't seen Lexi in a video in like years, right?
So many years.
So long. But I thought it'd be fun to bring her into today's video because this is my first like video in the like quarantine cookings. That doesn't sound great. The series that I'm gonna be doing, we're all quarantined in our house right now, or self-isolation. It's getting kind of boring. So we wanted to do a fun cooking video. We're gonna be making breakfast for dinner. So we're doing blueberry pancakes, a ham, spinach, egg scramble, and bacon. We're gonna start by doing the bacon. We've got really thick slices of bacon that we're gonna lay down. How many do you think we should do?
As many as possible.
As many. It's cooked for about 7 minutes on the high broil setting of the oven. I'm gonna flip my bacon over just because I want it to be really crispy on both sides. So I'm gonna go for about another 7. We'll keep checking on it. We're gonna put it back in. We gotta make our scramble. You can use like deli meat ham if you want. I do that when I'm just making like ham and eggs for my breakfast. But when we're making a scramble, you kind of want those like cubes of ham. So we're gonna cut this up. It's bigger than my head.
Hunk of ham.
The hunk of ham. Okay. I might need to go put a t-shirt on. It's getting kind of hot.
So Amber's changing her shirt. We're gonna unwrap the hunk of ham. God dang it.
So much ham juice. So much ham juice. I'm gonna cut it into little slices first, and we will cut it into cubes second. We've got our bacon cooked over here. Looks great. It's literally the perfect texture for me. I'm so excited. We've got a mixture of just eggs, a little bit of milk, salt and pepper, easy peasy. We're gonna add the cheese into the eggs. That looks good. I'm going to start by cooking up my ham. I wanna get it really nice and crispy and caramelized, if I can do that before Lexi eats all of it.
Look at those skills.
Okay guys, as you can see, it's getting really golden brown. So that means it's time to add in my spinach. All right guys, this is looking absolutely amazing. I put a ton of spinach in and it's wilting down. I'm gonna add a little bit of garlic powder in, let it continue cooking for a little bit longer, and then we'll add in our eggs. It's so good. I added garlic powder too, which is the egg recipe I just like made up on the fly tonight with what we had in our fridge. This meal is super simple. Breakfast for dinner is something my family loves to do because it's fun and we don't always get the time to enjoy breakfast foods because we're busy and on the go. So this way we get to have some of our breakfast favorites at night. So this is the recipe in my cookbook. This is one of the photos that in my opinion turned out the best. They look absolutely gorgeous. We're gonna be making this recipe today and Lexi is going to be in charge of it.
All right, I'm gonna mix the dry ingredients together, which are the flour, baking powder, and salt. We're mixing the wet ingredients together, which is the almond milk, vanilla extract, eggs, and coconut
Oil.
No.
If you don't want to use almond milk, that's totally fine. You can use regular milk, soy milk, cashew milk, oat milk, any milk you want. We just, in our house, use almond milk because I try not to eat dairy.
Hi everybody. We have our pancake batter here. We're just gonna add the blueberries in to make some blueberry pancakes.
I love the color.
I know.
Like they turn kind of purple. All right, ready?
About a quarter cup.
I like that we put a lot of blueberries in it.
Yeah.
We're gonna let them cook for about 2 minutes on each side. I'm just trying not to have these ones burn.
So good. Take them off.
Okay, we are all eating dinner. It turned out really good.
Oh, yes.
Thank you guys so much for watching. We will be do you want to film another one, like another dinner one?
Yeah.
We can do that in the future. So look out for those videos. I hope you guys enjoyed and we will see you in the next one. Bye. Bye. Mwah.